everybody, welcome back. Papa Mzilla here today. Guys, today, day 6 of the first 25 of December. I'm super excited. I am really having fun with these ornaments, items, making them, and going to be giving them to you. So again, day 6 of 25. Today, the project we're making is not going to look like the finished product at all when we cut them out. But tomorrow, come back tomorrow, day 7, you'll be able to see the finished product that we made today. Unfortunately, we had a stack of these this weekend, and we sold every single one, and I didn't think I should have saved 3 of them to show you guys the finished product. But again, come back tomorrow, we'll show you that finished product. These are fun. These are usually made from scrap from our bottle openers that we'll be making. But we don't have any. We sold all those as well, all the scrap pieces. So we're going to be making out of a fresh wood, well, semi-fresh wood piece. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, here, this is the pieces that we're going to be cutting. There's 3 circles. These are meant to look like a piece of wrapped candy. So you have your circle in the middle and then your 2 outside pieces. And again, these pieces usually come from the bottle openers that we make, because when you cut them out, you get 2 circles and 2 ends out of each bottle opener. So we can make 1 candy magnet. These are magnets. And then the piece down here with the 3 holes represent where the magnets will go. It'll all be glued together. And then 2 or 3 little magnets will be put in each hole. They'll be super glued in, and they're super cute. So we'll be cutting this out today. Take about 8 to 10 minutes, I believe it says. So without further ado, let's check out. Yep, we're good. It says 8.5 minutes. We shall see. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. Let's frame it, see how we're doing. Go ahead and frame this out. Make sure we're going to fall in the wood. Ooh, we just missed our clamp. There we go. Awesome. All right, here we go. Bye. As you can see, the two bottom pieces pop right out. Top circle that says holiday cheer on it. And then we have, oops, the little, whoop, the little red truck with the Christmas tree. And then this says hot cocoa and fuzzy socks. So we'll pop two of these out. Let's put this over here. We don't need them all. So basically, they just go like this. And you basically have your wrapped piece of candy. And then it's going to be hard to do this, but this piece will go on the back here with 3 magnets across the back. And then you have your nice little magnet. So it looks like a piece of candy, or some people said it looks like a ribbon. I don't know. This, and this, remember, were scrap at one time for us. So, we like to reuse, recycle, reduce. So, guys, check back tomorrow for the painted vision of this and see what day 7's project is. Again, you can win these. It'll be a set of 3 of these. So, guys, as always, be just you can be. Doing good thing for everybody. Comment down below for your chance to win. Go back and check out the first 5 days of the 25 days of Christmas. Bye. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's day 6. I can't count. That's not 6. That's 7.